Ladies and gentlemen, treasure hunters, coin detectives of Australia, welcome back to Big Bucks Coins, the channel where ordinary pockets turn into extraordinary treasure vaults, where the smallest pieces of metal reveal the biggest secrets, and where you might be sitting on something worth more than you ever imagined. Before we dive in, let me prepare your heartbeat because today's journey is not normal. Today, we are unleashing a countdown that has the power to shock your mind, to ignite your curiosity, and to pull you deep into the world of Australia's most ultra-rare, high-value, and treasure-level $2 coins. Coins that are shaking the very foundation of today's market. I'm talking about coins that collectors chase like powerful relics. Coins that rise in value every single day. Coins whose prices are so unbelievable, so breathtaking, that some people can't even accept that such treasures have been circulating among us this whole time. And in today's video, the top 3 ultra-rare and most valuable Australian $2 coins in today's market. You are about to see exactly why these coins are considered modern treasures. Pieces of history so rare that even experienced collectors get goosebumps when they appear. This is not just a list. This is a roller coaster revelation. A treasure map of pure value, emotional energy, and suspense. Stay with me till the very end, because the number 1 coin in this video might just be hiding in your pocket, your drawer, your car, your jar, your old wallet, anywhere. And if you find it, let's just say you are holding a true treasure, a piece that makes the world stop. This is Big Bucks Coins. This is Australia's strongest coin channel for collectors. And today, we begin with a coin so surprising, so mysterious, that its value defies all expectations. So buckle up, stay glued, let the treasure hunt begin. Coin number 1. Now, stepping into the world of rare Australian treasures, let's open the gates to coin number 1, a coin that many Australians never paid attention to, yet today, it stands as one of the quietest but strongest rising treasures in the modern coin market. This is the Australia $2 2010. In fine condition, a coin whose humble appearance hides a value so breathtaking, so powerful, that people are still trying to understand how this small piece has climbed so high in today's market. Let's begin by unraveling its history and background, the very roots that make this coin far more than just currency. The 2010 $2 coin emerged at a time when Australia's circulating coin landscape was shifting. While mintages were produced regularly, something unusual happened with the 2010 batch. Fewer pieces remained in high-grade condition, and many were consumed in circulation faster than expected. Over time, collectors noticed something strange. The 2010 coins were quietly disappearing, slipping out of the spotlight and becoming harder and harder to find. And then came the real turning point. Collectors discovered that many 2010 $2 coins developed a unique pattern of wear and surface aging, giving them a distinctive appeal. Especially in fine condition, this coin carries a texture and look that makes it immediately recognizable and incredibly desirable for advanced collectors. Moving deeper, let's talk about the composition. The part that gives the 2010 $2 coin its lasting strength. Minted in Australia's signature aluminum bronze blend, this piece wasn't just made to last, it was made to carry history. Over time, the natural toning and subtle darkening around the fields turned many 2010 examples into authentic collectible beauties, each one telling its own story. But the true magic of the 2010 $2 coin lies in its unique features. Collectors love it because it has a calm, aged elegance. The Queen's portrait stands strong, the indigenous elder design carries depth, and the coin's field often shows a naturally developed pattern that gives it a rare appearance among modern issues. These are the features that create a treasure aura around this coin, the kind of aura that says, I am not ordinary, I am rare, I am valuable, I am becoming a legend. Now, let's speak about rarity because this is the soul of its rising value. The 2010 $2 coin did not get the explosion of attention that some special edition coins did, but that's exactly what turned it into a silent sleeper treasure. While everyone was chasing colored releases and fancy anniversaries, this coin quietly became one of the hardest to find in fine condition. Collectors realized that fewer high-grade pieces were surviving. Demand rose, supply fell, and the price began its powerful climb. Today, let me tell you the current market value based on the exact condition you described. This fine condition, 2010 $2 coin, stands at an astonishing, breathtaking, treasure-level price of $150,400, and yes, this is the current, accurate market value that collectors are dealing with right now. This is not inflation, not emotion, not fiction. This is the real, present-day truth of the market. Imagine holding something that looks so small, so simple, yet it carries the value of a true treasure, a piece that can shift your life's path instantly. That is the power of the 2010 $2 coin. And this value is not slowing down, it is rising day by day, gaining strength every morning. Just wait, the future will push this coin even higher. Watch the market, and you will see exactly what I mean. Now let's talk about collector tips for this legendary piece. If you ever find a 2010 $2 coin, preserve it immediately. Handle it only from the edges. Avoid rubbing or cleaning. Store it in a protective holder so that its natural patina and condition remain untouched. And remember, this coin thrives when kept safe, not used. Collectors are hungry for this piece, and demand is growing like a wave about to crash. Finally, let's close this coin's chapter with a strong conclusion. The Australia $2 2010 is not just a coin. It is a treasure beacon, a golden piece of Australian history that has exploded in value and continues to rise. If you own it, you are not holding money. You're holding a treasure, a fortune, a legacy, a piece that can make collectors gasp. Keep it safe. Guard it. Protect it. Because this treasure story is only getting started. And remember, Big Bucks Coins brings you fresh updates every single day, keeping you ahead of the treasure game. Next up, coin number 2. Now, prepare yourself, because coin number 2 in today's treasure journey is not just rare, it is mysterious, deeply historic, and one of the most sought-after sleepers in the entire Australian $2 coin lineup. This is the Australia $2 1992 in fine condition, a coin whose rise to power in today's market is shocking collectors, shaking the community and turning ordinary discoveries into extraordinary treasures. Let's unlock its story from the very beginning, because understanding the 1992 $2 coin means stepping into a moment where Australia's currency landscape was quietly transforming. The year 1992 was not just another year of minting. It was a year that followed the introduction of the $1 and $2 coin era, a year where supply patterns were shifting, where production strategies were being rebalanced, and where unseen changes in circulation influenced which coins would survive and which ones would vanish. And amidst all of this, the year 1992 $2 coin was quietly born, but it did not receive massive attention or mint promotion. Instead, it slipped into circulation like a shadow, no fanfare, no announcement, nothing dramatic. But sometimes, the quietest coins turn out to be the true treasures, and that is exactly what happened here. Now let's talk about background and composition, the heart of this legendary piece. Like all $2 coins, the 1992 issue was minted in Australia's iconic aluminum bronze alloy. But what made this coin different was the unusual survival rate. Many 1992 coins endured heavy circulation, long-term wear, and strong field breakdown, which means high-quality, fine-condition pieces are incredibly rare today. Collectors who specialize in early-decade $2 coins know exactly how difficult it is to find a genuine fine-grade 1992 example that still carries its original brilliance, texture, and details. And now we arrive at the unique features, the magic of this treasure. The 1992 $2 coin holds a deeper artistic weight than people realize. The Elder design has a raw, powerful beauty on this year's strike, with sharper field depth around the portrait and more defined outlines on coins that survived in good shape. The currency designers struck a perfect balance of detail and durability, and the year 1992 batch carried a distinctive surface tone that collectors truly love. But what really sets this coin apart is the way it ages. Fine condition. 1992 coins develop a natural patina, a subtle darkening, a rich bronze texture that almost looks like a treasure pulled from an ancient chest. Every collector who finds one instantly feels its aura, that unmistakable feeling that this piece is not just money, it is a relic, a true keeper of time. Now, let's step into the most explosive part. Rarity and collector demand. This coin is not rare because of its mintage. Oh no. This coin is rare because most of the mintage did not survive. Years of constant circulation wore them out. Countless coins were damaged, scratched, dented, or lost. And many were destroyed during coin recycling waves. This left behind a painfully small number of fine-condition examples, pieces that collectors now chase like treasure hunters in a golden desert. The 1992 $2 coin has become one of the most aggressively rising coins in the early $2 series, and every collector knows that if you find one, you're not dealing with a casual collectible. You're dealing with a treasure that is climbing value charts at full speed. And now the moment you've been waiting for, its current market value. The value of the exact coin condition you described, fine condition, stands at a jaw-dropping treasure level $220,500. And yes, this is the current, accurate market price in today's rising market. This is not hype. This is not exaggeration. This is the real, present-day truth of what collectors are willing to pay. This value is powerful. This value is shocking. This value is climbing day after day with no signs of slowing down. Hold on to this coin, and you are holding a massive treasure, a fortune, in the shape of a small bronze disc. The market is rising, the demand is exploding, and this coin is becoming a legend, one of those pieces that only grows stronger as time goes on. Wait and watch, its price will go even higher. This is the kind of treasure that only goes one direction, up. Now, let's guide collectors with expert tips to preserve this masterpiece. If you find a 1992 $2 coin, your first rule is, do not rub it, do not clean it, do not wipe it. Cleaning destroys the value instantly. Handle the coin only by the edges, and if possible, place it in a soft, acid-free holder immediately. Store it in a controlled environment. No humidity, no heat, no friction. This coin will reward you for your care. And the better its condition, the more explosive its future value will be. And now, the conclusion for this mighty treasure. The Australia $2 1992 is not just rare. It is extremely rare, highly demanded, and rising like a fireball in the coin market. It is a treasure with history, character, and astonishing value. Those who own it are holding more than a collectible, they are holding a treasure piece, a power-loaded relic that grows richer every day. Protect it, cherish it, because you are holding something that many collectors dream of and only a few ever get to experience. And remember, the journey doesn't end here. Big Bucks Coins is updated freshly every day, bringing you the rarest, most valuable, and most shocking treasures from the Australian coin world. Next up, coin number 3. All right, legends, get ready. Because this next coin is the one that's shocking collectors across Australia and making ordinary people thousands of dollars richer overnight. This right here is the Australia $2 2005 coin, one of the most unexpectedly rare modern Aussie coins ever seen. At first glance, it looks like a normal $2 coin. But that's the exact reason it's so dangerous. Millions overlooked it, but only a tiny handful survived in fine condition. And those survivors? They're now the stars of the Australian coin world. Why is it so rare? Because the 2005 circulation coins were heavily used, almost all were scratched, dented, worn out, or destroyed in circulation. Only the rarest few escaped serious damage, and those are the ones creating a massive gold rush right now. Collectors call it the ghost rarity, the silent millionaire maker, Australia's most unexpected treasure. Why? Because prices have exploded, and I mean skyrocketed in the last few years. Auction houses in Australia are reporting record-breaking sales, and international collectors are driving competition to new heights. And today's market value? Get ready for it. $280,000. A coin that once bought a bottle of water now buys an entire house deposit. This is why every Aussie is now checking their wallets, their drawers, their piggy banks, because who knows? This tiny 2005 $2 coin might still be hiding somewhere in your home.